Daybreak by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. A wind came up out of the sea and said, "Oh, miss, make room for me." Hail the ships and cried, "Sailor, we have mariners, the night is dark." And hurrying landward far away, crying, "Awake, it is the day!" It said unto forest, "Shout, hang all your leafy banners out." As the moon birds folded wings, and said, "Oh, bird, awake and sing." And o'er the forms, oh, chanting clear, your clarion blows, the day is near. It whispered to the fields of corn, "Bow down and hail the coming morn." Shouted low the belfry tower, "Awake, oh bells, proclaim the hour." It brought the churchyard with a sigh, and said, "Not yet in quiet life."
Thank you, grade 5, St. Raymond.